In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix cross-platform play currently disabled on Xbox Fortnite. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. This is a problem that periodically appears when you are trying to sign into Fortnite, and fixing this is super simple. A new solution was discovered, and all that you have to do once you see this window after opening Fortnite is to hold Y on your controller. By holding Y on your controller, you will have the option to choose between the modes, and all that you have to do is load into a duels, trios or squads game, and this should be fixed. So all that you have to do is hold Y and then choose between any of these modes, duels, trios or squads, and you will be good to go to play Fortnite on your Xbox console. Remember to do this only if you have checked your Xbox Live settings and you have enabled the option to play with other people outside of Xbox Live, as the actual error is suggesting. So you have to make sure that cross-platform play permissions are enabled on your privacy and safety settings on your Xbox. Now, if this doesn't work and you still are not allowed in, there is not much else that you can do. First, I would recommend restarting your console. So close down Fortnite, take it out of the wall, make sure that you give it some seconds, plug it back in, and then see if after restarting the Xbox console, you are able to get inside of Fortnite. If you are still unable to get in, you can try changing your network or even clearing the Fortnite Xbox cache. But for the most part, the best solution by far is going to be holding Y on your controller, choosing between duels, trios or squads, and then it should be fixed as soon as you are able to get inside. So repeat this process if the issue ever shows up again, and if you haven't already, go over to your Xbox Live settings on the privacy and safety category and make sure that you have enabled the option to play with people outside of Xbox Live. I hope I was able to help you on how to cross-platform play currently disabled Xbox Fortnite. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.